Good morning, everyone. Myself Deepa Magunya, and I'm from Morbi, Gujarat. And I really want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Umesh sir and the entire PMTC team. Honestly, I wasn't expecting this much from this PMTC. मतलब स्टार्टिंग में फर्स्ट लेक्चर से पहले एक एनाटॉमी की पीडीएफ आ चुकी थी एंड उसकी वजह से मुझे लगा कि एक्चुअली इसमें सब कुछ एकेडमिक ही होगा. हमें एमबीबीएस स्टार्ट होने से पहले सारे एकेडमिक टर्म्स और वो सिखाएंगे. बट आफ्टर दैट आई हैव अटेंडेड पीएमटीसी ऑनलाइन, I am now confidently saying that it has much more than academic knowledge. It has given me confidence, direction, and the right mindset to start my MBBS journey. And अगर मैं academic wise बोलूँ तो we have covered organ systems, we have studied basics of anatomy, skeletal system, and medical terminology. The best part about this program is that it just does not teach us about studies. It is much more than that. सर ने एक्चुअली हमें 20 थिंग्स टू सक्सेस बताए थे दैट आर वेरी यूजफुल. मतलब RWD मेथड, 80-20 रूल्स, learn to ask why and be prepared for challenges, surprises and exams, etc. All of them are super useful. And अगर मैं पहले तो इतना तो बता दिया, ठीक है, कि क्या करना चाहिए, लेकिन ये भी बता दिया कि क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. He told us 20 things to avoid, which has been eye-opening for me, because these are the common mistakes that students do and how actually avoiding this can make your journey much more smoother. And another event that has made an impact on me was the classroom etiquettes. Matlab, I don't even realize how just maintaining punctuality, discipline, and respecting your teachers and classmates, asking questions, all of these can have so much positive impact in your life. और ये सारी चीज़ें ना टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं मिलती, but they actually help in shaping your personality. So I'm really thankful to sir for that. And another interesting thing, like the best part, like the favorite part of mine was the Viva. मतलब वाइवा सेशंस हैज अनदर फन. स्टार्टिंग में वाइवा का नाम सुन के क्या होता है, द आइडिया ऑफ आंसरिंग द टीचर्स क्वेश्चन इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीबडी वाज इंटिमिडेटिंग इन इटसेल्फ, राइट. और मतलब गलत होगा तो क्या होगा, मिस्टेक्स करूंगी तो क्या होगा, ऑल ऑफ दिस डाउट्स पहले जो थे वो अब नहीं है. बिकॉज रेगुलर वाइवा प्रैक्टिस के बाद मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स आर अ पार्ट ऑफ लर्निंग ओनली. और हर एक वाइवा प्रैक्टिस के बाद आई बिकम मोर कॉन्फिडेंट. आई एम नाउ कॉन्फिडेंट टू आर एक्सप्रेसिंग माई थॉट्स एंड नाउ आई टेक द वाइवा एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड एंड बिल्ड माई कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. एंड अगर मैं कंपेयर करूँ अपने आप को लाइक बिफोर PMTC एंड आफ्टर PMTC, then I would like to say that I can clearly see a positive change in myself. पहले थे मुझे थोड़े सेल्फ डाउट, I did lack confidence somewhere. और other thing is that I was not able to express myself that much. और मुझे आगे के पास क्या है उतना क्लियरेंस नहीं था, ठीक है. But now I am very much confident. I can express my thoughts easily, and now I know what lies ahead of me. So yeah, that was it. And now I'm like very much dedicated, motivated, and I'm better prepared for the future. So I would like to thank sir for that. And again, I am super grateful and thankful to Umesh sir for his support, for his guidance, for his encouragement. Matlab every session was inspiring, it was interesting, and it was motivating. Everything that is needed to be in that session was there. So thank you so much for that. And overall, in conclusion, I am really grateful to have been a part of PMTC team, and I am so thankful that I'm so thankful that I did not only learn about academics. I have learned so many valuable lessons that I guess will stay with me forever in my life, and I'm so much grateful for that. And I wish that this program continues to guide and inspire so many future doctors. Thank you so much.